Sa lahat din ng mga gigil na gigil sa akin, eto
Uy!
yung BP nyo.
Uy! Congratulations!
Congratulations! Thomas Best Actor! Sino kaya? Best Actor! Congratulations!
Yes! What's up guys? We're preparing for the FAMAS Awards tonight. Naka-long gown tayo, naka-hairdo, putok na makeup kasi we're nominated for Best Actor.
The FAMAS for Best Actor goes to
Vice Ganda, and the breadwinner is...
And the breadwinner is, congratulations, Vice!
Vice Ganda!
Pero, as I've said, dalawa po ang panalo ng Best Actor. Ganyan kahirap ang deliberation. Siguro hindi talaga sila maka-decide kung sino. And even ako, you know, your guess is just as good as mine.
Exactly.
Meron ba kayong hula kung sino? Let's see. The FAMAS for Best Actor goes to
Vice Ganda!
Maraming salamat. Nagpunta lang po talaga ako dito kasi gusto ko talagang i-celebrate with Direct June Lana yung nomination namin for Best Picture kasi ito po yung kauna-unahang pelikula kung na-nominate ng Best Picture sa FAMAS. I'm just so happy. Pagkatapos po namin ginawa yung And the Breadwinner is, talagang sabi ko, lahat ng award-giving bodies na mag-i-invite o mag-nominate sa atin, pupuntahan ko talaga kasi gusto ko ipagdiwag itong pelikulang ginawa namin nila Direk June, itong And the Breadwinner is kasi talagang pinagmamalaki ko talaga siya. At talagang niyayakap ko at ipinagpapasalamat ko lahat ng nominations and recognitions na binibigay sa amin. Kaya lahat, kahit yung mga awards sa school, pinupuntahan ko kasi nagpapasalamat talaga ako. At saka gusto ko talagang ipagsigawan yung pride ko sa paggawa nitong pelikula And the Breadwinner is. Actually, yung nomination ko, hindi yun ang nakapag-pressure, nagbigay ng pressure sa akin tonight. Ang nagbigay talaga ng pinakamabigat na pressure sa akin, yung kasama ko sa table, si Nadine at saka si Ate B na pareho silang may trophy. Tapos, nagpipicturan kanina na nahihiya akong sumama kasi sabi ko, ay shit, ako lang walang trophy sa table. Pero congratulations Nadine and Ate B. So, maraming Best Actor, yung nomination lang talaga, sabi ko, Direk June, sabi ko, I'm just so proud, sabi kay Ate B, tsaka hindi, ang saya-saya ko, proud na proud akong nominated ako. Kaya nandito ako, proud na proud talaga akong nominated ako. Tapos nanalo pa ako. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Pamas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. So, may this trophy, may this recognition, may this award inspire all the queer kids na makakakita dito sa social media kung saan man. May this recognition inspire you to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you are limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless. So maraming salamat. Thank you sa Rampa family. Thank you RS. Sa lahat sa inyo, maraming salamat sa lahat sa buong community natin. Congratulations because we won and we keep on winning. Congratulations to all of us. Yes, tayong lahat we can be best actresses and best actors, best dancers, best performers, best singers. We can be the best we can be. We can be the best engineers. You have fresh board passers. So, congratulations po sa ating lahat. I share the awards sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood and the breadwinner is sa Metro Manila Festival. Sa lahat ng mga umabot sa Netflix, maraming salamat. And again, we will try to give you another wonderful movie this coming Christmas. Kasama ko naman sila King Luz.